when it's almost noon?
I been tell doctor yesterday say I go take count today and I go attend to some family matter. Now which one can be this one?
Don't push it too much. It's a carton of condom.
Now who get them? I be with them the say condom for year now.
It's not for sale. It's World's AIDS Day and we're giving out to people.
Hope say now people wey dem marry na the gift sir.
No, it's for everyone. Married, single, young, old, handsome, beautiful, everyone.
No, that one not good though. Now people wey dem marry na suppose dey give. If una begin give everybody, now be say una dey encourage them say make dem dey do baba thing with that.
Biliki. At times you say intelligent things and make me wonder why you're a cleaner. That's exactly what I've been trying to tell them, but they refuse to share my view.
Now so I see condom for my brother's school bag yesterday. I come dey ask and say, for where you see am? He say na for school that they dash them. I say, why dem go dey dash pikin adults?
How that matter of condom did enter?
Before acting, where you did?
I dey work for one Lebanese company for your background for Kega.
What
as
did
a
they do
marketer.
Marketer.
Then they bring cream, perfume, oríṣiríṣi. Then even they do for inside warehouse there. So our home be say we go carry and go trade fair, go market for our customers, collect money. But
Now you did do that time.
Ben.
So you can't come and leave the work.
I different because the Lebanese, you know how their life be now. They like your word body one. They like money pass their spirit money. Even if they die, they don't want to know. I mean, I'm never ready to die. The word is sweet. Now yeah, waka come. That's true now.
Hey!
Now, may I ask you, man? The last time you ask you all the questions, can't even not get questions to ask me. Now, if not be, you mean say if Lebanese man now come, then you say, Mary or Biliki, I get one movie production. Or make person call you now, hello, how do you do? You come to see to me in my office. You can go say, really, how do you do? Say, you can say, I see to what you do on the clinic, the matter. I like to it. Mama, you come to work for me. You come to do the acting for me. I give to you plenty of money. What do you do? You go do up.
Brother, you know they pity those kind of people. If you tell me, I say, okay, I will do it, bro. How much you wanna pay for me? You pay me, I shoot your movie.
So if they say, yalla, no, money no problem. Yet money no problem.
I go collect money for so. Hey? No. Make a shoot film. I go collect my money.
So you don't go even collect half?
You know, pay to my account to me. Make I don't receive the alert.
Everything?
Pound. Once I don't receive the alert, oh yeah, let's shoot. No button. Can you?
Make them pay all your money complete.
Wallahi, and Lebanese. I don't go pay me my money first.
When you know what is the experience when you don't get with Lebanese? Tell us your sad experience with Lebanese. We make you.
Let me talk. You know, say these people where they talk. They're too wicked. Their money they for yes. Hey! Not be for back self. They no one know if you they die. They won't say work must go on. They no one know. If you like work from here to Sagamu, go market their product, come back. Then they say only for and say, you know, consign me. Ma'am, you get one customer. He give me 200,000. He don't lay late. Bank it don't close. I carry my soft mind, carry the money, go my house. Come back dinner. Okay, now Friday, then give Saturday night, then give me the money. The money they my house Saturday, and not touch. Sunday, and not touch. Monday, I resume work. Oh God, customer I pay late. I collect money, I go house. Oh Mary, you carry my money, go house. Oh, you criminal. I say, oh God, take your money. I tell you be criminal. If you not come, please, now you go call me criminal. Say, be me, I carry and go house. I go bus up, go say, I carry 200,000, no. Oh, you make una come my house. I don't know how to tell this. I tell you. Then you say, oh God, please, your money don't complete. I don't carry and come. Take your money. He say, oh, next time, you don't carry my money. Go. So, if I leave the money for customer, you not go give me money on Monday. And if I can't tell you, go say, why you not collect money?
Make I choke you now. You know we get this, we get the TV, radio, everything.
Ayaramo. She's not different from
Now, make I ask you, if not be acting, what you think say for they do?
I foresee they do the marketing. And
You get talent for that
but
one.
not be for Lebanese now. I go look for Dangote. People where go fit. They pay the correct
Because your
money.
experience, no, they
No,
food.
inside all the film, all the shoot, whether they shoot film, which one you go say, then be the hardest one for you, the most challenging. I mean, I didn't
Nah.
The English.
Now dry scorpion.
Yeah.
That's one a movie.
I'm Kiro Dry Scorpion.
That's one I play role for Mad Woman.
You who say why you go carry yourself go Dry Scorpion? Who can put on you go Dry Scorpion?
I know enter inside scorpion mouth. Now title of a movie.
So wetin come be the scorpion inside the movie?
Now the title dry scorpion.
Yeah.
Now sing with Talagu na him be the dry scorpion for the village.
Oh, in a scorpion we dry.
You know when person they sting all the whole kingy, yeah, chief for village they turn out to dry scorpion. So because you know they agree.
What be the thing we make the
Dry.
mad woman where you
Now
play?
me I play mad woman. I dey waka my own jaga as a mad woman for. Now he won't go hang himself. He can't be saying at the mad woman house for the tree where he don't decorate. Now he can't climb. Say one go hang himself. Now you carry stick in the person for tree. So you make you calm down. Now my house today for my territory, you no go agree make you hang yourself there.
You know go fit
Now
calm
you the
down.
person up and down. Now you dey up. The time he say he killed one yara o. No pursue me. I say he said no be him made me mad. I say oh yeah calm down. Because now my house today I won't sleep and I want noise.
You for come down. It to say na you.
I
You
don't
for
feel
come down.
climb up now. Up he dey.
See, make I advise you now. You see this way you dey talk now, you go talk, you go dey vex for am. See, person wey don't get original certificate for madness, be careful yourself now.
You know. I know that.
No, I dey tell her to say,
Okay.
say you act, as in you're acting pieces.
Wonderful.
I'm going to tell her. So,
Wonderful.
Well done. No.
well,
Thank you. Thank you very
no
much.
joke.
Mention it.
Go back to you.
Yeah.
On top movie matter, what you go tell us? Okay, can be the major. Now this one I do, bam.
Now you take blow.
This clinic matter.
Since
Now
2009.
everybody take sabi me. So my get one where I just do recently now. That one now.
This recently.
Recently. That's one Onyese production. Then they call am title.
Onyeze.
Yeah, you know Onyese production for Enugu.
Onyeze.
You don't know Onyese. Who don't know Onyese? Now marketer, now producer everywhere. Now toothpick. Now him be the title. Make you go wash am.
For me. You know the
Nigerian films are their names, huh?
Go watch
Dry
this.
scorpion, white gari, dry awala,
on red plantain.
Strong yam.
The most important thing be say it dey sell.
But make I ask you,
They pay you your
make
money.
I ask you, why it be say, what you get to talk, you went there into Nollywood and soaps now, why it be say, some kind stupid thing they happen for Nollywood. No, this is Nollywood, now a ghost, rain go beat am. No, this is Nollywood, now ghost go dey sweat.
Hey, bros, make I not lie you. I never come across such scripts for my life. So me, I no go fit talk that one. Because before you go agree to art film, you go read the script first. When you
If
read
you
that,
know the
if you
inside
make
the
it dey
script,
reasonable, you say, oh, I like this story.
No,
It
the
makes sense. So
say
I want actor.
in this part, may we yours perhaps maybe say that could get out of
Maybe say, Genevieve, waka small, na 3 hours be this movie. Waka small, no rush. Genevieve, when the waka small, girl.
Now slow motion. I never see that.
You get one where I see. Before we go break, I beg, you get one where I see. They say, Ramsunua can't remember. You remember 1960 something? I said, remember 1960 something? Now I see the guy stand for back of the billboard, MTN. And then I beg when they come, make my market.
always using the back door. Maybe she left it unlocked.
I not leave anything unlocked. Make person not lie for my head. Maybe the woman run through a pass command for reception. Not be backyard. You send her backyard for don't see her.
But if she had passed through the reception, would have seen her. No, Sabika and I never left the reception empty for any reason, sir.
Now lie yo, it dey empty. Which time when you and Nasabi girl come meet me then for backyard, come they ask me say which person here long pass. Abi you don't forget.
Sir, we weren't there for too long. Maybe about 5 minutes.
Now lie yo, it is 30 minutes. Two of them come begin argue which person here is long. This one say my hair is fine. Men are not lie for my hair though.
Don't change that for them.
See the doctor expression. I can't. See, I don't think get over that doctor expression. Doctor just dey look say.
Anyway, welcome back on the next show. We'll be telling that before we start the show, so we get two guests, Biliki and Ife Oshunti, will be the organ for True Vine Cakeist. People
So,
where they make cake.
In be the fine. We are the branches.
It's the vine. We are the branches.
Yes.
If I they make cake, even bring cake for us. Biliki waka where today.
I like it. I waka well. And I go well.
Ife, how you do?
I did fine.
He's struggling you to say it.
No, you don't see Biliki, so.
Maybe make her help her speak the broken English. Make her help you. Interpretation. No, talk for yourself. Not only you waka come.
I only waka.
How you do? How you I don't understand. How first thank you. How market?
Market deal.
So now you all this cake with you so now you make them.
Now me do am.
Now you settle down do this.
From scratch.
Oh, thank you, Jare.
Is it me? Come and take cake.
What?
How man go?
Na passion.
Makes sense, yo.
Na passion.
Na
Passion. You go school?
You know, say they say people when they.
I be pharmacist.
Hey!
I'm talking again.
I be pharmacist.
I beg, wait. Did you put it inside it?
Maybe no.
Because the ice cream way. Put
You buy me just not be happy class.
Don't go suffer from this sleep.
Yeah, what is
My brother talk true.
I be pharmacist too.
But what you make you leave pharmacy come go the enter cake?
Na passion. For when I be
So
small.
you know the pharmacist again as a bit so.
I still dey work for a pharmacy, retail pharmacy, but I dey do this one part time.
You don't pass time. You don't marry,
I don't marry.
and your wife gree you do cake.
In fact, she be my major supporter.
Yeah.
Yeah, when we dey work, when we dey do service here.
When you do boyfriend and girlfriend, not say service here. We know.
No, we know plan am. It just happen. It just happen.
Correct.
What did just happen?
It just waka.
I
fall
waka.
on top you.
Then someone say, oh wow.
Like how brothers have top on herself. Na say it can't take happen. In a Wabiati. Anyway, I'm True Vine. When how long you don't do cake?
I start for 2008.
2008.
So it's for service here. How business done dey for you so far?
In fact, I dey tell people wey wan enter am, I tell them say na like ocean. Enough opportunity dey.
But to make I ask you, apart from saying a passion, you what make you just decide say okay, make I begin to do this thing? Something must. I mean I say after service, work not day. It's okay. As I like this thing, make I begin do am.
Well, for me, I be very spiritual person.
Okay.
Oh, me too. Spiritual, all of us spiritual.
Spiritual.
I be spiritual person. So I don't tell myself say because I know say I no go sweat. I know say I no go look for work. Work go find me. Because I know the thing I go do make work go find me and be like saying a seed. So when I dey look for let me say I dey look for work, when I dey do my own little pharmacy thing, I know say I dey always like food.
But you know the food for your body.
I don't tire out.
I want you to say I collect one cake. Make
You like which kind of food?
Which food you like?
If like say I get a fast metabolism.
Hey.
Fat metabolic.
Fast.
Okay,
Before I chop the food don't disappear.
Why? Where you dey go?
Where you dey go?
Check yourself, oh. Hey. Check yourself. You don't get spiritual brother. As you dey chop, you dey go
the
there.
person where they collect am for your body.
I don't know.
Your wife. If you see your wife, your wife will be like I'm saying. Maybe as you chop finish, your wife will collect it. Wife will say, baby, yeah, if wah, you come suck am. Suck the awful God. Anyway, if person want like this pack now, the person was like how much you go be?
This one are like, well, this one a special pack for all of them.
But
I did do a dozen for 2.5.
Come, bro. Okay. Why you not the chop? Why you no chop cake? May you two chop now. Be the same. Waiting.
Come
What you can do? You don't do now. You don't do now. That's it. What's this guy? Give me. Idiot. Oh no, shit. Look out.
Now Biafra war.
I think we are go punch. If I punch somewhere, something will go bust. If I punch, I will pra. Milk go just put for my face.
You know, he called.
Wow. You don't pack everything now.
Oh God.
You not to use the lookout.
He
Come like that jazz she use.
Anyway, in case you want to follow Biliki and Ife talk, I beg make you call us. Our phone numbers go there on top of your TV right now. And make you follow Biliki and Ife talk. But back to you, Ife. If person will like this pack now, would they ask you how much you want to sell this pack and how much it could be now?
2.5.
2005. Hey! But people now, when they watch their sugar intake, you get anything for them? Because people go there and say, nah, sugar, no go take. And people they watch their sugar intake like me now. I go to you get anything special for them? Since you're a pharmaceutical.
No,
since you're a chemist.
I don't be chemist, I be pharmacist.
No be chemist,
Pharmacy, no, don't put the same medicine.
no be that one when they sell medicine.
Now why go be that?
No be that one.
Make it I don't bust my brain.
No be that. You know say them different. The one where they stand inside mold. Look at this bottle. Coloring and colorblind.
Make I tell you something. Thank you, say remind me this thing. You know, say all those when they send medicine for inside the bus. They go say you are abortion medicine, but you don't go know. Now abortion medicine, but they don't go tell you say na abortion. See this thing, it get iron, it get chlorophyll, it get magnesium. I beg, I warn you. If you get belle, no drink am, because as you dey drink am, wow! The pikin talk about they don't say you abortion. You go say yes, give me 4, give me 5.
That one for person wey get belle.
Na person wey get belle.
Because you don't want me the belle.
Because you don't make belle, she go say, is that boss there?
Overdose.
You know say you don't take sense.
We don't need to order for pure water. You don't go reach out. Because if you reach out, if you expire.
Well, if person want contact you now, like how they go take contact you as in Instagram, you did Instagram. Okay, give them your Instagram, Facebook, and the rest of them.
My Facebook is Ife Osuntui.
Ife again?
Ife Dayo Osuntui.
Osuntui. Okay.
Then my Instagram is Ife_TrueVine.
Ife_TrueVine. Yes. I beg if you don't follow TrueVine, Ife Osuntui on top Instagram. Ife Dayo, none on Facebook.
Facebook, yes. Ife Dayo Osuntui.
Ife Dayo Osuntui, then on Facebook, and then for
Instagram,
Ife Dayo Ife_TrueVine.
You see, I don't memorize them because I get intention to quickly follow them on Instagram.
True, because
anyway,
I said the cake
sweet. The cake sweet.
They add extra bread for person.
And they cure headache.
And the cake, if you know one, if you dey watch your sugar intake, you get your own special cake when they make for you. No kind cake where you want on top of this planet Earth and in heaven. Where you know
you do
that one na wheat cake.
No cake where you dey find in on this earth and in heaven. Every designation for yemme. You want Mr. Cake Moba, you want Mrs. Cake Moba, you want Miss Chief Doctor Mrs. Moba. I've heard all and all. I've heard a title, and a color, and a different test. So what you should look for, I'm on your Instagram, and your Facebook. You look for Ife Dayo Osuntui, I do on Facebook. I'm on Instagram. Instagram, I've heard Ife_. I do not take away that is under. Ife, take away. True fine. Give me one cake, please. Oh, my brother, the God will rotate all around you 247. 7 days a week. 22 of our 7 pi. Then we say 360. I feel all and all.
Anyway,
this cake is too sweet.
Sugar. Make you remember.
Excuse
because
me.
Our hospital,
I'm not a man.
You can come to our hospital.
No, I'm not a man.
Eh?
I don't have problem.
You know say them too.
You know they say I don't become matron now. I don't they prescribe medicine. So now they tell you.
Which medicine?
Okay, wait. If person get headache, can't get belly pain, then leg come depend on for under.
Which medicine?
Which medicine you go take?
Now drip and pure water. No, drip and pure water.
Pharmacist. Wait. Pharmaceutical.
Pharmacist.
Right?
I don't know.
From there, good evening. Hello.
Yeah, for Bamo.
Hello. Okay. I'm gonna take another person make it call us. Now, Biliki,
Bros.
okay, make this question where they write here now. This thing will concern girls go on act for industry. They go say
they come pay homage.
They come pay homage, may come visit them for house, may come rub their belly, you know, about sexually molestation. I know one guy like that, molestation. Molestation on what molestation on what
so they call him molest.
You know the guy? Molest.
Molest.
In French, they call him molly.
Molly. But people know I'm
I don't know.
No, tell me, what you get to talk about this molestation part for?
You see that matter where you just bring the critical gun for industry. Now matter where you say if you anywhere where you go, they must ask you this question.
So not true.
I know. You know, say, you boy they talk say, if you only know the onions of your job,
the tomatoes of your job,
you don't go allow any bagger to molestation you.
Chineye, good evening.
Now,
hello.
How is there, Chineye?
no forget
I'm
that
fine,
too.
no.
If you know
You want follow Piliki and if I talk?
Hello.
come chop keo.
Come chop cake, Chineye.
Of all about this,
Then call me.
I want to see the city.
Oh yeah, now she dey hear you.
Hello.
Piliki dey hear you.
Hello.
Bye. Your TV dey too loud. We dey tell una when they call us, abeg una reduction na volume of TV so that you can hearing us. Because communication is something that you communicate or pass, yeah. You communicate. Me, I get the Sean. That is where you have the communication.
In other words, I don't know what about for my name and name. So you know, we buy one name. So you know, communicate what?
Sean. Neme.
you fini loleti, lole bye, lole. So that somebody
so if we don't communicate,
Sean.
Back to the matter.
Back to that matter.
Hey, so if you don't know your work, you know sabi art, no be by force. And the third person say, see, if you don't check yourself, say you know sabi art, waka go somewhere else, go look for another thing to do.
Or
No be
go
by
do
force to
marketing.
enter TV. Benny, even if not, like this man, whether I discover in life for cake, after pharmaceutical. You see
Just say chemist. After
hey,
chemist.
you see the enter island, buy flour, buy sugar, buy do cake.
Ima, good evening. Hello, good evening.
in cake, sweat, not be loud.
Hello.
Good
Hello.
evening.
Hello.
Would they hear you? Good evening.
Brother, by force.
Good evening.
You want follow Biliki talk?
Yes, sir.
Ngwane, should they hear you?
Hello, Billy.
Hey, my brother Adeo, good evening. Oh.
I want to do.
We are all right. So, you see, with the soft
At the
cake.
battle on the program here.
Thank you very much.
Hello.
Hello.
Ngwane, thank you. Bye. Okay, hello, good evening.
Shock them, say you have speak English.
Hello, don't call.
Then go shock, they can say, wow.
Wow. This is wow. Continue what you talk.
So, I come the talk say, if you know sabi act, go somewhere else, go look for and work. No be by force because if you check and where, now when the director does or producer does say, this girl no sabi act, and it just won't enter TV. Now that time they go use the opportunity. That's one for those where they like rubbish things. Because not be all of them they do that kind of thing.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, too.
Alpha.
I
You want to follow my people talk?
I want to follow a talk.
Oh, yeah, now.
When I come, I want to follow a talk, but not pick my call.
So we don't Biliki don't come. If I don't come, we don't pick on a call. Lawyer, follow them talk.
How you doing?
Adeo, brother, hello.
I see you. You balance like balanced diet.
Oh, thank you very much.
You too much.
Thank you.
Yeah, I hear you.
Thank you, I hail you too.
I don't get too much to talk, but I just.
Hello, shut up. Not say you not get too much to talk. Say you not get credit.
No, that is it.
You not get credit. Bye. Good night. Let me save you.
No, you don't want to talk to Ife. Now only woman.
You not talk to. Because Ife don't marry Abi. Because he's a pharmacist, chemist.
No.
Anyway, Ife, you don't. I say Ife. Biliki, you don't marriage.
No, I never married.
Never
Soon I go marriage.
Very soon you go marriage. When?
Very soon.
Very soon. Now we want man Igbo man, I been a Yoruba man. Igbo. From where?
Igbo from. No worry, I go tell you later.
I don't.
Confidential.
Give us the best part of Clinic Matter. Your best part.
The best part.
If you do
the best part now for America.
do I say?
For US.
Well, that California,
Hey, they are very.
Los Angeles. Oh my God.
Do I say?
Now you about to America. I can't look for Amala where I want so. I not say Amala so. Amala tea begri we do with the mama waste you down and pepper don't enter this mama. You understand? Like the one where they forget when in Surulere for. I can't look for now. I can't enter reception. Restaurant for our hotel. I saw Yibo give me Amala. Now you Yibo carry something like bread where they turn around like this. Can't put meat, put onions, put
ugu under.
Kelele. I mean, bros, I say I want sup Amala. Oh, Yiboni, madam, sorry. This is burger second in the bar. What is it burger? I can't open it. I see cream. I see maybe not pomade where they use rubber. I don't know. Now yes, this one are for goat where they for labule.
That big water when they put afang leaf inside. That leaf.
Ugu I don't know. He white like this. I said,
how person go open his mouth?
Well, I chop this one. Give me Amala. Where Pama don't soak the soup. Now he said, sorry, this is what we have here. So that carry your thing. And you walk. I can't go the whole California. They look for where I go see Amala don't. As God go have fun.
Hey! You can't see him.
You know go come America. Like
come Amala again.
Now I can't see one of our patients. Wait, don't they come Nigeria? You dey there with your pikin. Because no be Billy Kiblis. Because they Billy Kiblis now. This person will come in, know me. He say, hello Billy Key. Don't you remember me? This is Mrs. Gina.
Yeah.
I say, Gina. Mrs. Gina. Say, don't you know Gina, your old patient back way in Nigeria? Now
you don't even know.
I can't remember. Say I know the face where they come out hospital. Then you come. I say, madam, you don't fight like this, yo. Now America, now you can't turn your skin to sunshine. So what are they look for? I say, no, mind you. Now doctor, he signed the nurses come and course. Now you say make I follow them. Well, I know say America had like this to see Amala so. So now they walk up and down the look for. Then he said, don't worry, come to my house. I'll give you Amala.
My sister.
Now you follow him.
That day, tell me say you sit down for ground.
You don't want to
chop that Amala.
You want to make her embarrassing myself.
No,
if
now
I be
for enter very
well. If I
well.
be locality, I go see.
Okay, as na Jew is.
I go see.
He don't do.
As na Jew is.
Anyway,
now that one he sweet me back. I saw Amala for America.
For you, they tell me. We go outside, go continue the years. Leave them. Hey,
anyway, Una, thank you. That was all of now. We call. Those are sorry, say we'll not take off at the beginning. We just talk to Mary Ogbonna, aka Biliki, and Ife Oshutuyi, the Mr. True Vibe.
He had to believe say.
Speak Igbo.
Yeah, so we be able to one. They don't
answer.
Anyway, double toilet to Ife Oshutuyi, and then to Mary Ogbonna, aka and then to everybody when it be simple to watch. Like you motivated tomorrow.
And if I thank you for this sweet cake, you see me the one more cake.